All right, you guys, so just so you know, I got myself a new camera. I'm super excited. And we're gonna use some new makeup by Kulfi, and this is their new lip lassie in the shade Sweet. So it's kind of supposed to give me a more of like a light peach type of look. So I'm actually really curious about it because I already have Tamarind. So we're gonna use their eyebrow product and their new lip lassie, as well as some sample blushes as well. So let's start off with the face and kind of do our makeup routine.